Hello guys, welcome to C Learning with new video. In this video, we will see how to configure PPSK authentication, the QR code authentication in Huawei WLAN Controller. So if we are creating SSID, so we have different type of authentication mode like PSK, the only password authentication, username password authentication by 802.1x, and also we have some other type of authentication like open, we have no password, and we have PPSK authentication where you create a random password and you can also create the QR code. So this type of scenario mostly used in hotels, and you create a random key for the guests, and when the guest leaves, so your password and key are regenerated and renewed. So in hotels, when we go in a room, so we find a different password with the same SSID. So this type of authentication we use for the guests. So let's go and configure the PPSK authentication. So I have already added the APs. So my APs are already added, and now we'll go here and configure the SSID. So first of all, we create the SSID and name this SSID as testing underscore SSID Wi-Fi. Okay, this is the my testing, and this is my VLAN, and my mode is direct. So this is the main here. So if you select the open, so you don't need any security, so you will automatically connect to your SSID. So if you go with key, so you have to use the obviously a key, and then you enter the password of SSID. Most commonly we use this one, and the portal authentication we reflect to portal, and then we give the user the information like email ID and phone number. Then the code come to your phone number and you put, and then you will able to get the access to SSID. And 802.1x authentication, we use the Radius server where our user are authenticated via the Radius server. So I have already made this video on 802.1x authentication. You can go on my channel and watch the video. And the also we can configure the PPSK authentication where we generate the QR code. So PPSK authentication is the type of authentication, also comes in key authentication. So this is the subtype of key authentication where we use only key for the SSID bus, but uh, the keys are randomly generated. After some time the key are expired, you have to regenerate the keys. So this is the type of key authentication where we not only use one password, but we can use the multiple passwords. So here we select the PPSK authentication. Here you can select the maximum security, and also you can select this one, and TS and TKIP. So this is the advanced encryption algorithm. So after selecting this, it doesn't ask the password here. So we have the different method to configure this. So it will not ask the password here, so we have to create the password via another administrator account. So in next step I will tell you. So here we'll select the default group, and this is the finish. So our SSID has been configured, and our SSID will reflect here. So let me show you. So this is our SSID, but if you go for it to connect it, so it will ask for password. So we didn't generate the password or keys yet. So our next step is to generate the keys. Okay, let's go. So next step is go in maintenance, and here in administrator. So in administrator, so this is your administrator admin account where from which we log in this WLAN controller. So here we create another administrator account. So its name would be, let keep the name like test one, or, and here you will select the password, and here you will select the access level as guest, because this is the guest administrator account. So this type of key we use for, I have previously tell you that this type of authentication we use for guests in hotels and some other places where visitor come and go, leave. Our password are random, and then after some time they are expired and regenerated passwords. So this is its access level is get guest administrator, the person who will administrate the guest account, where they will generate the keys, and also assign them particular SSIDs. So here you can select the all, because we will access via this account in HTTP, and then active, and then okay. So our test1 account has been created. So just save this and log out from it. Okay, now you have to log out from it. Okay, I have previously saved it. Now you have to enter in via test account, your guest administrator account. So I keep the password as this one. So now I enter the Huawei WLAN controller via the test one, the guest administrator. Now I am the guest administrator. I am managing the guest, and I will assign the password to this particular SSID that we created. Here we'll go in PSK, and here we'll create the password. So here is the number of users that you can create it. So this would be the number of passwords. If I will select the 5, it means that 5 different type of password will be generated. Also their QR code will be generated. Okay, and here are the number of devices. The number of devices that can access these uh, uh, users. So if you select 10 here, so there would be the different type of 10 password randomly generated password will create it. So here you can use the prefix, means the if we are working on hotel, so here we will select the rooms. So this will create the 10 room password randomly. So here we will attach the SSID. So this is the our SSID testing SSID Wi-Fi, and here you can select the expiration time of these users. So here after that time the password will be expire. Here you can give some additional information if you want to give. Here you will select the number of devices per user can log in, and some other settings. So here you will select the print QR code and confirm. So your QR code will also generate it. So now you can see here the our file has been downloaded. So now you can see here these are the rooms, 10 rooms. The first room we will attach this one, this key. In second room we'll attach this key, and in third room we'll attach this key. So all this room will use the test SSID, but with different passwords. In particular room, if we select there the number of devices, so in room number 1 that number of devices can log in. If we select 5 there, so in room number 1 5 users can access this SSID via this password. In room number 2 the 5 persons can access this SSID via this password. So each room have the different password. So this is the another level of security. So this is the expiration time. You can change the expiration time the 1 week, 1 month as per your requirement. Okay, let me always done, and here we this will give us the QR code list as well in pop-up window. Mhm. So let me create it again because my pop-up window was blocking stage. So let me delete it and create it again. So this is the 10 and rooms SSID is this one. Okay, and then print QR code and export. So if you select here the devices, so each room, this is the 10 different passwords. So each password can be accessed by a different number of devices. So if we select 2, so these 2 devices can access this one password. So this is the limitation you can set. Yes, you can see here now in my pop-up window the passwords has been created. This is our new password list. So this is our password list, and this is our QR code list. Room number 1 QR code is this one. So you can either if you go in room number 1, you will find this SSID. So you can scan this QR code, or either you can enter this password. So these two are the same. So these two are the same. So here if you scroll down, room number 2 password, room number 3, 4, 5, 6, so 10 password, different password with their QR code. So this is room number 10 QR code, and this is the room number 10 password. So this is the room number 10 password. So these both are the same. So after you can print this and you can attach it to particular room, and also you can give them the password, so user will come scan and then they will connect to particular SSID. So now we will test it, and if I want to connect, I will enter the password here, or either I can scan this. So now you can see here the number of online users are 0. So I will scan the room number 1. So the mobile, and then you will see the one online user here. So let me. So this is the room number 1. So let me scan my mobile. So I have scanned my mobile phone. So now here it will reflect the. Let me go in PPSK, and now you can see here one user is online with this SID. If I scan my password, my mobile phone with room number 4 QR code, or either I can enter this password, room number 4 password, both will be same thing. So this is how you can create. If you want to manage one by one, so you can select first, you can create it and then you can manage it through here. So here is the random key. You can also give them the their own key. From here you can create, and then if you want to give the self-defined key, so you can select this option, then you have their account like room number 1 by 1, room number 11, and then here you can select your key, like I'm selecting Huawei at the rate 123, and then particular SSID. So QR code will be printed and export. So now you can see here room number 11 QR code has been generated. So its password is Huawei at the rate 123. Let's verify through this sheet. So now you can see here my password is Huawei at the rate 1 #123. So this was my self-defined password I have created on room number 11. So you can generate the random combination, or either you can generate the self-defined. So this is how you can configure the PPSK authentication. So here you can see here the number of user, but the maximum number of user limit we didn't set. If you want to set that room number 1, the 5 devices can, maximum 5 devices can connect. So also you can do. So here you will see the the maximum device, five devices in room number 1 will connect to this SSID via this password, or this password. So this is how you can configure the PPSK authentication and generate the QR code, and then get it on wall and access the SSID. So hope you like the video. If you have any questions, so you can ask me in comment. So let's verify. You can save it, and okay, let's go in admin account. So what admin can see? Admin will see the number of users, obviously. Okay, here you will see the users. So there is total one user. So this is the my mobile, and it's connect to 5G, and you can also go here on user and see the detail of that user. Okay, this is the AP name, and obviously this is the uh, username, user in room number 1, and connect to this lab room AP and some other setting as well. So hope you like the video. If you have any questions, so you can ask me in comments. So thank you very much.